just like the scripture in a hotel drawer. I just don't know what good my faith is for. My train of thought ain't making all of the stops. That's enough, but no one wants what I've got. What I've got. What's in a word if no one feels any blame? Who gives a shit if no one feels any shame? You know the sun won't rise in everyone's sky. Stars can't dance until you open your eyes. There ain't no way that you can please all your friends, and all good things will always come to an end. Just take a break and play the game with the cards you've been dealt. Yeah, be good to yourself. So many ways to keep your head in the sand. So little hope that you can hold in your hand. And only time will tell just what you can do. Why waste one thought on what